So you want to see the northern lights in Iceland? The best time to see the lights is during winter. There is an official Iceland northern lights forecaster on the web. The website link is in the description below. Using this will save you a lot of time when you're searching for the lights. So when you get to the website, you will see a map of Iceland. On the bottom there is a slider to change the time and see the forecast throughout the night. On the upper right there is an aurora intensity scale from 0 to 9. And on the top of the map, you have tabs for low, mid-level clouds, which is the default view, lower clouds, middle clouds, high clouds, and composite. So from personal experience, I've had the most luck seeing the lights from the north of the country, near Akureyri, the second largest city in Iceland. When I visited the country, there seemed to be too much cloud cover near Reykjavik, where everyone else tries to see the lights. And also, I've always seen the lights between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., a total of 4 times to be exact. And with the forecaster scale on the upper right, if the number is at a 4 or 5, you have a very good chance of seeing the lights. The mistake that a lot of people make is to look at just the default map. The green means that there are clouds, and the white means there aren't clouds. But what you have to also look at are the maps for the different levels of clouds: low, middle, and high. Sometimes even though the default map will show that there aren't clouds over a particular area, the high cloud map will show clouds all over the country, making searching for the lights a useless venture for the night. So don't look at just the map for low and middle clouds. Look at all the maps. If you click on the Composite tab, you can view all the maps for different cloud levels all at once. And that's it. A handy little tool for searching for the northern lights. Happy hunting.